Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to delete or remove or uninstall an application from your mobile device. It may be an iPhone, Android phone, or any other Samsung phone or any other phone. So all you have to do is grab your phone and look for the application that is giving you headache, probably amongst the list of the various applications in your phone. Okay, so in this case I'm interested in uninstalling this application. All you have to do is long press and right here select the middle icon for more details, and then all we have to do is select disable in order to disable the application, and by doing this the mobile application will be permanently deleted from our device. It will be permanently deleted from our device. Okay, all right. Alright guys, I want to remind you to please leave a subscription and receive more amazing content like this.